Yeah. Oh, you sounding good, brother. You try to get St. Louis, Missouri. Mama, there go that man again. There he is, y'all. Leave me alone about this dude right here. He's here. He's at home in St. Louis. Here he is. Yeah.
I'll try again. Let's go. We're on top. We're just gonna go into it, okay?
All right.
Let's go. On top. 1, 2. You get it? Hold on. 1, 2. Bottom, bottom. 1. Okay.
Yeah, 1, 2. Yeah.
1, 2.
And turn that bass up. Boom, 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 boom.
I got it.
Yeah. Don't be shy, baby. You got it. You was just doing it good. Yeah. What's the name of this club again? Renee's. Renee. Yeah.
Let's go. 1, 2.
That's what you got in me. Will you wake up early in the morning? Body yearning for some good love. And your man ain't nowhere around. Call me, I'll come and put it down. I can be Jody if that's what you need. Who's making love to your woman? Yes, that's me. If you wanna take it over, just say the word, and I'm coming over. Don't you understand? I only got one plan. Let me be a good, good man. Your good, good man. They used to call me Sugar Daddy. Girl, I can make you happy. Let me be a good, good man. Baby, I'm TJ. I wanna be your friend. I can be your cash app or your ATM. When you're ready to, and your car don't do, and your daycare too, you know I'm coming through. 'Cause I see your man ain't treating right. One day, baby, I can't never stay the night. But if you wanna think it over, just say the word, and I'm coming over. Don't you understand? I only got one man. Let me be a good, good man. You're a good, good man. They used to call me Sugar Daddy. Girl, I can make you happy. Let me be a good, good man. And baby, there's rules to the game. You gotta give me what I want, when I want, when I say that I want it. Cause I'm gonna give you what you need when you say that you need it. I'm gonna give you this good, good, knock on wood. G-O-O-D, that's what you got in me. I'm gonna give you that good, good, knock on wood. Really enjoy it. G-O-O-D, that's what you got in me. Sound good, man. Yeah. Just clean it up. Y'all got it, man. Steph, don't start messing with her, man. Leave him alone, Steph. You're going to make him nervous.